Hey y'all, I'm RaveWithShai. Thanks for watching this video. In the previous videos, we talked about what is candy, you're looking at it right here, and how to trade candy, peace, love, unity, respect, and then move the bracelets back and forth. Let's move right along into how to make candy. You'll need some string, some beads, and some scissors. As simple as that. Some people like to use hot glue. I just double up the string and tie a lot of knots, and typically they're pretty secure and stay on. This is Paxco elastic string, strong and stretchy. I like to double up so that they don't break. You can also get some fun string like this pink stuff. There's all sorts of different thicknesses, colors, stretchiness, and all of that. So make sure that you check out all sorts of different types. There's always fun ways to figure out, like, do you want to put your favorite artist or just a cute saying or the name of the festival that you're at. But one thing that I want to do is make one that says RaveWithShai. So that way when I trade it with someone, they'll be able to see my name and find me on social media. It doesn't matter if they are drunk or met a lot of people or whatever the case may be. When they get home and look through their candy, they'll be able to be like, yay, I met someone named RaveWithShai, and find me on social media. And that's really my goal. I want to connect with ravers around the world. But I digress. I'm going to make a quick candy bracelet. You're going to want to cut a piece of string that will wrap around your wrist like this. I usually use the top of it to put my beads on. Then that way if they fall, they're right in my lap, which is nice. Some people like to tie a knot at the bottom. My husband actually gave me this little magnet and it'll hold on to it so I can put all the beads on, and then at the end remove it and tie it. So you have your string. We're gonna do clear purple and then regular purple. You simply put your bead on. I'm gonna do 2 clear and then a regular. So you just string it just like this. This is what it looks like so far. Don't really love that, so I'm actually going to unstring it, put them back in their respective places. Got your little foundation. Then I'm gonna move from that kit to this kit and pick out my letters. Got R. I'm gonna grab my little Candy's World kit. So cute. Little hangy stars are cute. I'm gonna do little crowns. We've got Rave. Then we're gonna put a little pink crown. You just stick the string right through it. Then you need width, then Shai, close it with another crown, and then I'll add Alice in Wonderland. Right, so we've got Rave width. Now we're gonna add the little purple crown, make sure they go the same way. And then we need to grab an S. Got RaveWithShai, and then we're gonna go ahead and grab these 2 purples again. So we start and end with the purple. If you look, it's even. We got 2 purples, 2 pinks, so I think I'm gonna close it there. I'm gonna just look and see. Oh, no, it doesn't really quite fit around my wrist. So I'm gonna do 2 more purple. You can just keep adding beads until it gets to where it will fit your wrist. If you know you're gonna trade it with someone with bigger or smaller wrists, you can take that into account when you're doing it. And now it fits nicely. Some people will take hot glue. I just tie several knots and sometimes even go through the bead again. Easy as that. Now I put it on my right hand. Well, actually now you'll want to snip these ends off. Sometimes I hold on to these little strings because you can use them to like tie off the ends or to do fun things when you get into perlers. Summing up everything we've done so far, this is candy. I just made some, so if you need to know how to make it, you can rewind. And then trading it. So peace, love, unity, respect. That's the final product. So now that you know what candy is, how to make it, and how to trade it, go ahead and click the next video to learn what a perler is and how to make perlers.